Okay, so Javier, over the last few days we've been talking a little bit about the mines, and I've had some questions from some of the students and from some of the people at home to learn more about the mines. And today we're at a really interesting, it was one of the biggest mines, I believe,
Yes.
and now it's maybe turned into a place where people can come and see, but unfortunately it's closed. So can you tell us a little bit about the history here?
Okay, they have two history. This was one of the biggest saltpeter mine, and it was one of the last that was working till 1940. Was one of the biggest 7,000 persons working here, and after that, in the 70s year, during the military government, it was used like a jail for political prisoners. That's the reason you can see before some field mines, because this was a jail. They don't want the people run away, and it's completely surrounded by mines. That is the dark history of this one.
Very good. Thank you.
Now it's a museum.
And it's a museum.
It's a natural monument for the two reasons: for a big saltpeter mine, and also for the jail for prisoners.
All right, thank you.
I'm here with my buddy Chris, who came to run with me from Santiago. He's a bit of a running legend in Chile, and it's good to have that motivation with me here on day 12. I think we're at like kilometer 40, and check this out. It's absolutely beautiful. We're on a trail here, cutting through this incredible valley. We've been going up for 5K, and so you can see here, pan across the whole, this is the view that we have. Keep in mind that the view that we have is also accompanied by about 1 billion degrees of heat right now. When you say it's pretty hot, Chris?
Oh yeah, it's very hot. There's no wind, and the little wind that we have is very hot.
So we're just hanging in there, but it's been a great morning, and we're just going to keep hiking here for the next few K. By the way, for anybody out there that's following the tracker, we've had a few issues the last couple of days. I think it was 2 days ago I did 70 kilometers. Then I did a 45K day, then a 70 yesterday. Though you may notice that we've had to jig the tracker back and forth. We were having trouble locating satellites with our little tracking device, and so I think it's just one of those technological anomalies. The team is working on it though, and what we're doing temporarily is calling in GPS waypoints. And we of course have our handy dandy wrist GPSs on, so we'll be able to do a nice complete route for anybody that wants to see all the twists and curves and all of that stuff later on. But it still gives you a general idea of where we're at and where we're traveling. Have a great day.
Okay, so yesterday we saw that we had a flat tire. I don't know if you can see that right there. That is a broken lug nut. And apparently when they put the tire back on, they broke the lug nut. So we're hoping that we don't get any more flat tires along the way, because right now it's jammed on there pretty good, and we're not quite sure how we're going to get it off.
I had to show you guys this view because it's just ridiculous, and I hope this camera does this justice. This is this abandoned railway. Like, I don't know how they ever got a train up this. This is like on a probably 8 to 10 degree pitch, and the curves are so steep. And check out those hills in the background. It's just so amazing standing here looking at this. I can't believe. One of the coolest things